So how do you upload 4K Reels on Instagram using your Android? Let me show you how it could work. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are more things, of course, that we need to get started with. At first, you need to make sure that the video you're publishing is actually captured at 4K. Right, so of course you can get inside your camera, tap on the video, and swipe up for more information. And it's going to let you know the resolution and all of the quality things. So you want to make sure that it is actually in 4K, and if not, it just inside of your camera and in the professional mode, I would just make sure that I'm capturing the 4K videos as I wanted to. And also, a lot of people just capture that thing, but for example, when they perform their edits within a video editor like CapCut, they might forget it. Then here we also need to adjust the resolution for the export, so you want to make sure that it's not set to 1080p. So you might capture your shots at 4K, but you perform some edits and you end up with a 1080p video, right? So you need to pay attention to it at every step of the way. But I believe that the most important part is when you are uploading the video to the Instagram platform. Because whenever you go through the upload process, you find the reel, you click on upload or whatever. But before you confirm it and actually publish it, there is this three dots option for more settings and more options. It's a bit of a hidden away thing, and then there is a toggle to upload it at the highest quality. And if you don't enable it, then Instagram will of course compress the video. Most likely it's going to be noticeable if you don't enable it. So you want to make sure that the upload at highest quality is enabled and that the high quality shot that you've been working on actually makes its way to the platform. So this is what you have to pay attention to at every step of the way. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to successfully upload it to the platform. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if it worked, and I'll catch you in the upcoming videos as well.